we're both equally, messed up. Those were not the values I wanted to adopt. Took some of that money and went and got counseling. I needed to know really like my right from wrong. So I think sometimes there's a gift that people that have kind of charmed or just normal childhoods don't get. I was in a wheelchair until I was 14. I taught myself how to walk between my freshman and my sophomore year.
Wait a minute, you were in a wheelchair?
Maybe they're just the parents I needed to become who I am right now.
Right.
And to be able to do work that I do. You got to look back at your own story and go, how did I get? And when I say these things, I always say I'm the Lorax. I speak for the frustrated women. It's like I'm the Lorax of the women. If somebody needs it, they need that kind of a wake-up call. You're the girl that's willing to step up and poke the bear. Run, Forrest, run! So I did.